Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 59 Whyterose Terraced in Methil. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-reception mid-terrace property, finished to a really high standard, ready to move in, spacious for you and your family, new modern kitchen and off-street parking as well. And you are really in a great location here with everything on your doorstep. I will tell you a little bit more about that at the end, and of course the all important price point. So I'm going to flip the camera and I will start the tour. So this is number 59, so your property here. Now you do have the option to park on street, but you do also have off street as well. So let's head in the front door and start the tour. So straight away you will see the standard of finish with this property. It's just incredible. And the storage as well, you are spoiled. So straight on our left here is a large storage cupboard. Then we'll come along the hallway and we're going to start upstairs and work our way down. But straight away the stairs here, you'll see the spotlights, which is just great attention to detail, and that really is carried throughout this property. So we'll then head upstairs. And this is your hallway, second storage cupboard. So again, a really good size. And this is your landing, downlighters as well. So the finish is really lovely with this property. And then it just continues. So this is your master, really good size master, really light and airy, great size. As well, as you can see, quite a lot of furniture in this room. You still have plenty of floor space. So this is your master room. And then we'll head across. So just again on our left, a third storage cupboard. And then we come into the second bedroom. Again, a really great size. Those downlighters contributing to how light this room is. And then what I love as well is from this window here, you have that lovely view, and it's a great day here today as well. Nice and bright, wee bit windy, but sunny as well. So that is your view. Back into the room and you'll see again just how much space you get with this room. So 2 great size rooms with this property. And then we'll come into your family bathroom. I love the bath. It's just a great feature. So you have your WC, your freestanding bath, wash hand basin, and then your enclosed shower. So a really good sized family bathroom as well. So I love that. And then we'll go back downstairs. And I love the family space down here. So as I was saying about the high standard of finish and attention to detail, you have the chrome fittings, the doors as well. So it's such a great property. And then this is your living room. Plenty of features for me to point out. I'm going to start with the incredible feature, fireplace and log burner, especially coming into those winter months. Just imagine that lit at Christmas, be such a lovely cozy atmosphere. You have patio doors there as well, leading out into the garden. And then again, the downlighters throughout the whole ceiling, making a great feature. And I love this space here. So this is your dining space. Such a great size. Let me just show you it from the other angle. So again, imagine in the evenings, family sitting around here, just catching up at the end of the day, and also come Christmas. Such an incredible size room. And this just gives you it from the other angle. Lovely family social space. And then we'll go through into your kitchen. I'm just going to give you one last look of this space again, because I really do love it. So this is it here. And you can just see how shiny those floors are. So it really is ready to move in, perfect condition. And then you come into your kitchen. Love the colour choice in here. Plenty of storage space as well, and cupboard space. You have your integrated appliances, so your extractor fan and hob, and your double oven. Downlighters again, great touch, and then your designer radiator. So I do love this kitchen space. And then let's head out into the back garden. So there's the patio doors that you can see in the living room. And then this is your garden space. Really low maintenance, but great use out here. You have your double gates, so you then have your off-street parking. You can hear the birds in the background, which is just lovely. And then this is your property here. So you can have a seating area either up there or down here. Come the summer with the barbecue, family and friends over. This is just lovely. So this is your property. So that was a personal property tour for 59 Whyterose Terrace in Methil. You've just seen the incredible space, the high standard of finish throughout, the attention to detail that's been done over the years, off-street parking, and you really do have everything on your doorstep with this property. Short walk and you're at the primary and nursery. Short walk as well and you have the leave-in swimming pool, the retail park with all your local amenities, the high street. As well as for commuting, you have the leave-in bus station and of course the up and coming train station in the spring of next year. So everything on your doorstep while getting this beautiful 2-bedroom 2-reception property. Now this property is on the market with us for offers over 130,000. So if it does appeal to you, then please do message me directly here, or you can call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at 5 Properties TV, take care.